Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by verifying essential prerequisites: battery health, key switch off then to run, and correct cable. Plug the approved Jlg diagnostic adapter into the service port and tighten the connector. Power the tool using the machine's auxiliary power or onboard battery. Once powered, watch for firmware and protocol match messages. Make sure to choose the correct model in the tool menu, because selecting the wrong model prevents accurate live data and fault retrieval. Once connected, pull stored and pending fault codes and study timestamps and freeze-frame snapshots. This tells you when and how faults occurred. Next, run targeted actuator and sensor tests. Command the boom, steering, and engine outputs one at a time, so you can observe response and isolate failures. Make sure to capture live data streams at idle and while you command a load, because comparing those traces reveals intermittent issues that code lists alone will miss. After you perform repairs or adjustments, clear the fault memory and immediately rerun the same tests you ran earlier to verify the fix. Confirm no new faults appear. Then validate the repair under normal operating conditions and record logs while the machine is loaded or moving, because some issues only show under stress. If the problem persists, reproduce the fault while logging and capture exact timestamps and test steps so you can escalate with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.